My name is Connie Davis. I've lost 190 pounds through the Longstreet Center for Weight Management.
Well, Connie, hi. How are you today?
I'm doing wonderful, thank you.
So, do you remember what your life was before you came to see us?
I was using a walker, and I knew that if I did not do something, I would be in a wheelchair. Borderline diabetic. There was things that I couldn't do because there was a weight limit for this, a weight limit for that. I've tried Weight Watchers many times. Felt good once I got the weight off, but it was like once I met my goal, the very next day, it seemed like I just started eating the way I did prior. So it didn't fix my problem at all. And I would just gain it back, and then I'd gain a little more back with it. And I try quick weight loss. I lost weight there, only to gain it back.
But that's a disappointing journey when you work so hard to lose weight and then your body fights you when you stop doing those things and the weight comes right back on. And we see that so often with this disease. So what did you have?
I had the gastric bypass. I was so afraid of my liver not being shrunk like it was supposed to be. I did the liquid diet 3 weeks.
Wow, you're an overachiever.
Absolutely. I wanted something that would work, and I knew I had to work at it and do my part for this to work for me.
Tell us about your weight loss after surgery. What was your weight before surgery?
I was 326 pounds, and I have lost, we just figured it up a while ago, 191 pounds.
Wow.
Yes, it's amazing. I brought some photos
Oh, good.
that will show you where I began. One of my grandbabies. You don't realize you're that big, until you see pictures. And there's a recent one, and my grandson tells me I have Barbie legs. This was made last year.
Oh.
When I took you down the runway with me.
I remember that. That was a good show.
Oh, it was.
Now, with 190 pounds of weight loss, you had some loose skin, didn't you?
Oh, absolutely.
So tell me about that journey with the loose skin. What did you do about it?
I call him Dr. V. I never pronounce his name correctly. Velasquez, I think.
Yes.
And come to see him. And he took his pictures and talked to us. And I think we saw him a couple of times before he did the surgery. I told my daughter, I said, who wouldn't want a stomach like this at 65 years old,
That is awesome.
So, it is.
You've had a great journey.
Yes, I have.